EGEL will solve the waste problem by putting enormous amounts of combustible waste into a chamber, producing HHO, and that creates an environment where the volume of that waste is reduced to 10 to 15% of its original volume, and the enormous heat that is produced is used for electricity. The transport industry is extremely polluted. The transport industry is using fossil fuels. Anything, including what we promote, which is HHO, no carbon dioxide, gradually replace anything that produces CO2. By not producing CO2, EGEL is helping the environment. EGEL does not produce greenhouse gases. Replacing one energy source with another energy source like HHO, that itself reduces the requirement for carbon dioxide to come into the atmosphere and go into the biosphere.